All right, all right, all right. So. So this video was made 2 weeks ago. Wasn't the best video, and I saw this comment. Yes, today. Okay, I saw it. I realized I left a lot of stuff out, so I'm just gonna remake the whole video. And I did put stuff in the description, but some people can't read, so yeah. So what you're gonna do is very simple. Go to your browser. Let me just close all these tabs real quick. All right. So go to your browser, search up Melon Loader versions. Well, actually, this is just easier, but you can just go on to here. Oh yeah, well, we've already went on this. So then you do 0.2, 0.5.2. You download that. Then you might think, I'm going to download that. But my PC storage is running into the ground, but I'm still going to download that. Just for your personal experience, okay? For your personal experience. And there's some stuff I left out. I just accidentally closed that. Well, then what you need to do was just type in Thunderstore, Boneworks, and just open that. Don't do anything with it right now. Just leave it open. Alright, so after that, what you need to do, very simple. If you watch the first video, you know what to do. Go to Boneworks, go to here, go to Browse Local Files, create another tab, then go back to Boneworks, click on Boneworks. Now, I already have all my stuff in here, but what you need to do, go to Downloads, and then you might have to extract this for you, but you gotta copy all of this stuff and put it in the Boneworks stuff. It's like put it in Boneworks. So then, after you do that, launch your game. So, because if you want to know why you need to launch your game, because you need to process like the mods, plugins, user data, and all the user lib files. Because if you don't, you literally just can't install a mod. All right. So after that, what you need to do, very simple. Okay. Go and oh yeah, I'll teach you how to install like custom NPCs and custom items and all that. So like custom weapons and custom NPCs. So here's the answer. Let's install an AirPod and a Mortal Ford and a player model. You don't have to install any of these. These are just mods so I can give you an example on how stuff works. Top rated. If you go to top rated, there's some stuff here. Yeah, so what you need to install, it's like the stuff you need to install if you want to have like a nice experience, I'd say. Download ModThatIsNotMod. You need to download this mod because like basically every mod requires it. Like let me give you an example. Custom apps. See this is required mod, that's not mod. Make sure you download this. If you don't download this, your game's not gonna launch. I think. Or your game's gonna just or custom apps is just not gonna work. But make sure that you install this. So just go on to here, click manual download. Then go on to here, click manual download. Then go on to player models because you get custom player models, manual download. Go on to mod is not mod. Manual download. Then let me see. What's a good like alright. Let me give you an example. Like custom maps. So yeah, all right. So see, so so you go to mods, take the DLL, put it in the mods folder. Okay. So just imagine you're like just copy it, put it in the mods folder. Then you go out in the mods folder, go to plugins, then you put mods, you put plugins in, and put the backwards. You see, it's in here already. You put that in the plugins folder. Then Arena's player models mods. Put the player models DLL, and you guessed it, mods. Then mods, put this DLL in the mods folder. So basically, let me give you this example. If you have a DLL, okay, if you have a DLL, if it's a DLL, put it in the mods folder. Okay, if it's the DLL, put it in the mods folder. See, like this, it says it's a DLL, so put it in the mods folder. So, yeah. So somebody asked about this. So what you need to do for the first mod you install, like the first custom item, it doesn't automatically make like the custom items folder. It's kind of weird, but I already made it. So what you need to do is you need to go to, oh yeah, go to user data, and take like the whole folder and put it in there. Don't do that every time, just for this one time, so you can put the custom items in there. So then, if you want to know after you do the custom items folder, you take the dot melon. Every single dot melon is a custom item. So a mortal Ford would be a custom item or custom NPC, whatever you want to call it. But this is where you put the dot melons. That's why I wanted to remake this video in the first place. This is where you put the dot melons. You put them in the user data, custom items, and then here's all the dot melons. You get the Bible, body, all that stuff. Yeah. So just that. And then the player models. I'm just remaking all these. So it's a dot body. So if it's a dot body, you put it in the player models folder. So see, it says dot body on all of these. And then there you go. AirPod. Oh yeah, wait, I already downloaded. I had downloaded. Oh well, yeah. I'll just give you an example anyway. AirPod dot melon. So you just put this in custom items. All right, and then that's pretty much it. You installed all the mods you should get. Oh yeah, and this the playground.bmc. Put the .bmc in custom apps. Don't put it in progress. Just put it in here. Don't put it in progress. All right. And then one more thing. If you want multiplayer, then do this. Download Retangled. My last video, I kept calling it Entangled. We're calling it Retangled now because that's what it's called. So download Retangled. Do its thing. Okay. You go into here, click on mods. You see Retangled DLL. Guess where you put it? Yep, you're right. Mods. Put it in the mods folder. And then when you join the game, you open the bone menu, which is like your preferences, where all that stuff's at, and like where you eject your mag sometimes if you want to. So what you need to do, click on the bone menu, click on Retangled. Alright. Then after that, what you need to do after that is like server menu, I think that's what it's called. When we click on the server menu, you can see create server. If you put it on false, you'll have to invite your friend to the server. But if you put it on true, your friend can just join. So, and nobody can else join. There's no public lobbies in this version, so you don't have to worry about anybody joining. And you have to be friends on Steam for this to work. So let me give you an example. So go to view friends list and see. So here's one of my friends. So what you need to do is when you launch Boneworks with both your friends, if you're a friend, what you need to do is if it's on a public, you need to scroll, put your mouse down here, and it should say join, like somewhere around here. But if you're on just, if you're like, if you're the host, what you need to do, if you're on a private lobby, you need to just go down and click on invite to game somewhere around here. And another one, okay, what was it? Oh yeah. If you want to accept that invite, you go to send message, and then the invite will be around here, and you click it. You have to do all this on your PC, I think. The key thing there is I think. So that will be it. I think this is a valid remake. Okay, so yeah, bye.